ama-indicators akuwona enza imali, but uku-understanda ikona okwenza imali. What's good, Forex team moguls? I'm back again with another banger. Namhlanje i-topic esizobe sikhuluma ngayo is strictly about ama-indicators. Before ngiqale-ke kunesixwayiso sami engijwayele ukusiveza la, which is this one, engisivezela nje for the sole purpose ukuthi wonke umuntu understand ukuthi sikhuluma ngani and yini ebalekile. So without wasting isikhathi asiqaleni. Number 1, into yokuqala othi ngifake highlights, ngifake ekukhala ubomvu. Yeah, into yokuqala engifisa ukuthi i-beginner understand ukuthi ama-indicators akuwona ama-magic tools. Mangithi ama-magic tool ngisuke ngichaza ukuthi akho mlingo owenzakalayo la, yabo, akho mlingo owenzakalayo with regards to indlela osuke utrader ngayo. Number 2, akufanele ukuthi wenze ama-indicators amaningi echartini elilodwa. Ngiyathemba ukuthi leyo part uyayi-understandani. Akufanele wenze ama-indicators amaningi echartini elilodwa. Number 3, the reason why loko kuzokubangela inkinga, it's because kudala i-confusion nokungakwazi ukuthatha isinqumo esi-right uma ukuthi ubhekene ne-chart. Ngeke uzokwazi ukucabanga ngendlela because first of all maningi ama-indicators wafakile, second of all echartini elilodwa, and leyo nto leyo izodala ukuthi ube ne-confusion. Okay, before ngize ngidlulele kwenye into, ngiyacela ukuthi wonke umuntu pay attention lento because abantu abaningi they don't really understand about ama-indicators. So it goes to i-question yokuthi iyini i-forex indicator, which is i-indicator. Number 1, i-indicator iyi-tools oli-edayo echarting, yabo, and lelo thuluzi lelo lisiza ngokuthi lithatha i-data, meaning libuka i-market history from ama-previous data or indlela i-movement ebiyenzeka ngayo kwi-markets, and leyo data le or leyo price data esukuyithathile isiza ekutheni ikhombise i-direction ne-momentum eyenzakalayo or eyenzakalile previously, nokuthi ikwazi mhlambe at least ukubriefa ngokubona ukuthi ayikho yini i-reversal mhlambe noma i-potential reversal ekhona yini kwi-markets at that time osuke wenza ngakhona or ngalesikhathi owenza ngaso. So basically that is the main explanation about ini i-indicates. Number 2, sizala. Number 2, maningi kama types of indicators. Ama-types of indicators maningi. So i-type of indicators yokuqala ama-trend indicators. Ncese guys, i-laptop engiyisebenzisayo kusamele ngithole i-mouse, yabo, i-mouse yami kade ngisanda kubona manje ukuthi hayi ngathi nginika inkinga, bengizobhala la ngepeni, but ke lalela, vula indlebe ulalele uzoyi-understand into engichazayo. Ama-trend indicators atshengisa i-market direction and akusize ekutheni ubone i-trend ngaleso sikhathi uvule leyo currency kukwena. And lawo ma-indicators awu-2, kufike kube number 1 i-moving average and number 2 i-MACD. Yeah, understand? Lawo ma-indicators atshengisa ukuthi i-price iya kuphi, la i-direction eya ngakhona. That is the most important thing about ama-trend indicators. Number 2, mase kuba momentum indicators. Momentum indicators lawa akutshengisa amandla e-price movement, which is i-strength, and ikutshengisa ukuthi mhlambe let's say mawukuthi i-price is overbought or is oversold, iyakukhombisa nakhona lokho yabo. And lawo ma indicators kubalwa i-RSI, mase kuba ilo i-stock chase stick yabo. Yilawo ma indicators uthu adila nje nokuthi inamandla kangakanani ilo indlela i-price emuva ngakhona. That is the main thing about ama momentum. Mase kuba khona ama volatility. Hey, singisi bafethu. Volatility. I-volatility ikutshengisa ukuthi how fast i-price ehamba ngakhona, and nokumeasure i-risk ukuthi i-risk ingakanani. So i-indicator ekhombisa lokho ibizwa ngokuthiwa i-Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Band, mina ngumZulu. Iskisi khona nje amanye amagama azongeja. Nanje vese ngazi umageba nje bafethu. So lokho nje kumele niku-understand. Mina ngumZulu. So ikanjalo ke lama indicators lawo enkuluma ngawo, which is afola under this segment list. Yabo. Afola under this segment, which is momentum ne volatility. Then the next question that you should be asking ukuthi why ama indicators amaningi estruglisha estruglisha ngelo ngama indicators. Number 1, ile nto ngisho eqaleni bafaka ama indicators amaningi echartini elilodwa. Number 2, ukuyiconfuse nama signal. Umuntu ajethi indicator is for a signal, kanti ama indicators are not for signals. Ama indicators are strictly for ukuthi akutshengise ukuthi imarket indlela ebikade move ngayo nanendlela esuke i-direction yakhona iya ngakhona ime kanjani. That is basically it. Nano elesithathu ukuthi ukungayi-understand i-price yabo. And okunye kufuneke understand akusho ukuthi mawukuthi ufaka ama indicators amaningi kusuke kuchaza ukuthi uzowenza i-profits or you'll make more profits. Akukho njalo yabo, akukho njalo. So basically that is why ama beginners estrugglisha. Then we go to lento yokuthi mangaka ama indicators ekufanele ama beginners awasebenzise. Number 1, iyodwa mfethu or awu2, maximum 1 or 2, 1 or 2, 1 or 2 maximum, and uwasebenzise as i-confirmation. Uwasebenzise is i-confirmation. I-price is always into yokuqala nje kufanele ifike ekhanda before ufike kuma indicators. Ufike uqale ngeprice uze ngeconfirmation, mase emva kaloko ulandela ngani ngama indicators. Kuba nje into yokugcina le engqondweni yakho. And i-features lakho libuke malibukeka njengothingo lenkosazana, balibiza nge-rainbow ngesingisi, azi ukuthi nje lelo chart nje li-wrong. It's not supposed to be le njalo yabo. Then mase siyadlula sithi imaphi ama indicators are right and are best for ama beginners. Number 1, i-moving average. Number 2, i-RSI. I-moving average yodwa ngichazile iyona esiza ngetrend, mase uthi RSI isiza ngemomentum. Lawo 2 are right nje as a begin yabo, are right. Are right nje for as a begin. Then we go past the actual facts ukuthi wasebenzisa kanjani. Into yokuqala, ama indicators awa trade wodwa, akufanele, kumele uwa-combine. Ucombine i-trend, ucombine i-support ne-resistance, mase ufaka ne-price action. Aziku 3 izinto ekufanele uzenze. You understand? ama-indicators into asuke yenze ukuconfirma kuphela, then iprice iyona ezokwenza ukuthi udecide ukuthatha itrade, right? And then mase sihamba sibe nale part le yokuthi ikephi la ngafanele uwasebenzise khona ama-indicators. Number 1, ngesikhathi kuney'ndaba, yabo njengowami nawumuntu ama-fundamentals, uma kuyindaba nje bafethu, please ungawasebenzisi, noma ma ukuthi ufake i-time frame encane. Uma kuyi-time frame encane ungawasebenzisi, and ma ukuthi ne-market ikwi-range or kwi-consolidation mhlampe like isaphazekile nje ayikho all together, like ungawasebenzisi, right? Ama-mistakes ke abawenzayo kama-beginners amaningi, ama-mistakes ama-beginners awenzayo. Number 1, njade ngisho ukuthi ukufama indicators amaningi lube lwashintsha ungazi ukuthi yiphi efanele isebenzise. Number 2, ukungena nje kwi-market without ukuconfirma, without uku-understand ukuthi wenzani. Number 3, uku-ignorisha ama-time frame la amakhulu. Njengoba kade ngilibele ngisho-ke before ukuthi mofuna ukwenza i-entry fanele uqale from daily uze ku-4 hour masuza ku-1 hour, uzoyi-understanda-ke lento oyenzayo guys. So I hope nonke ni-understandile le segment ekade ngiyenza. Ake siphindele kwi-summary. Number 1, ngithe ama-indicators are not awawona ama-tools, ama-tools as like awawona ama-magic tool, but ama-tools for you to learn ekutheni how is the market going, what is the market structure and movement going. Number 2, usebenzisa at least 1 or 2 maximum ngibhale la waphela manje, maximum, hey uyabhaleka lo x maximum. Mase ukuthi number 3, ucombine ama-indicator na-price action, and i-chart inkosi yami lingabi rainbow, So I hope you understand that, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Subscribe, like, comment down below. Team Forex Moguls, let's get it. Danko.